Everyone, someone asked me in the group chat that he wanted to know how to calculate his gain and his loss in the market. So today's topic is how to calculate your gain and your loss in the market. We're using a leverage of 1:100. This is used to calculate your gain and it's also used to calculate your loss in the market. Now, for example, I'm giving an example. You have a 20 pips market movement. We all know how market moves. 20 pips. I could show you on the chart. Let me give you an example. This is my chart, my trade for today. So I want to show you on the chart. This is, you can use your ruler and you measure it 20 pips, or you can use your short position or your long position as 20 pips for your analysis. Now that's 20 pips. That what I wrote here, 20 pips. You can see it here, right? 20 pips. And let's assume an assumption also, the amount of your money is like below $100. That would be 0.01. This is what a micro lot size. This is a micro lot size, which will give us equal to 0.2. Now, how do I know my amount of money? Now, there's a secret I want to show you guys, which one of my coaches, one of the coaches I learned from, taught me very well was the value of 10 is a fixed number. This is a manual way to calculate your losses or your gain in the market. The value of 10 is a fixed value. So it's meant to be 20 pips multiplied by 0.01 multiplied by 10, which is a micro lot size. Now you can see it here. I use the result from here. You can see it from my own end here. I use the result from here, which I got from the multiplication of the pips and the lot size, and I multiply by a constant value, and that is $2. Can you see it here? This gave me my amount that I'm ready to risk or lose in the market. Now, an example again. Let's assume you have a 30 pips. Are you with me? 30 pips. And you have a lot size. You want to use a mini lot size. We all know what a mini lot size is, right? That's 0.1. Am I correct? This will give us equal to 3. Don't forget the 10. It's a constant value. This is a very constant number, 10. It is a fixed number. You can't be changed. It is a fixed number. And that will give you $30. So this will be my gain or loss on the market if I was ready to risk 30 pips on one on like a mini lot size. That's 0.1. You guys should know lot size, so I'll try my best to do a video on lot size for those that are still very new in the game. I'll explain what a micro lot size is, what a mini lot size, a nano lot size, and a standard lot size is, for you to be able to understand it very well. Another example again, let me clean this one. This is the manual way. This is the manual way to calculate your gain or your loss. And I'm going to show you another way to calculate your gain or your loss in the market. Now let's assume another example. We have 50 pips for my gain. Sorry, my hand is not that straight in the writing. Multiplied by, I use a one standard lot. One standard lot size. This will give me what? This will give me 50 value. Am I correct? 50, right? Don't forget our 10 is a constant number, is a fixed number, it cannot be changed. Equal to, I made $500. This is the manual way and the fastest way to calculate your loss and your profits. It is very fast. In case you don't have time to go use the normal way, this is the fast way you can just use your head and calculate it faster. Another method, which is, I would have named it the artificial method. But before we go, I want to show you my YouTube channel here. I have a playlist for beginners. I prepared a playlist for those that are coming into the forex market. I'm going to teach a full course on my YouTube channel. You can tap in here. You're going to see a full course for beginners. And also, I'm trying to do an intermediate for also if you're trying to go into ICT or SMC trading. but this is for the beginner section. Don't forget to tap on the subscription button and subscribe. So let's continue from our calculation here. So this is the manual way to actually calculate your profits or your loss. Now the second one is what where baby pips comes in. You can go to baby pips. I'm sure many of you know what they call baby pips. You tap on tools. Are you with me? You tap on tools, and when you scroll down, you will see gain and loss percentage calculator. You tap on it. This for those you can see not sure how well or poorly your trade went. Our gain and loss percentage calculator quickly tells you what percentage of the account balance you have won or lost. It also estimates a percentage of current balance required to get to a break-even point. Again, let's assume you bought a prop firm of $5,000 and you made a loss. Then I had a loss. How much did you put in? So let's assume you had a loss and you don't forget. I also want to show you something also. I'll show you a method on how to know your losses, how much you are risking. 1% is $50. That's 1%. You can see it here. You can see that it has indicated to you that it's 1%. You have to win 1% before rising back to your starting balance. So you can see it here. So it's telling you percent lost. 1%. So this is your required balance. For those that have journals and you're using your journal and you're finding it very difficult to calculate your losses or your profits, this is another way to calculate your losses or your profits in a very simple way. So why use this? You can use it to understand better how much you have won or lost in your trade. If you have a trading losing trade, you will also know how much you need to make in order to get back to break even. If you have a winning trade, you will know how much you can afford to lose before returning to your starting capital. You might also be interested in a position size. I said I was going to show you guys something. Am I correct? Now, position size is how much you are going to be risking. It helps traders to limit their risk per trade and avoid excessive losses that will usually be hard to recover. Now, position lot size is very straightforward. My account balance is $5,000. You can see it here. This is a very simple way. I want to risk 1% of my account. How many pips is that my trade? My trade is 30 pips. What am I trading? I've done this example in one of my videos, GBP/USD. And don't forget, I emphasized more on something which might help you. Always take the standard lot size. That is where your lot size is. Don't look at this section. You have no business here. Look at the standard lot size, and this will help you to be able to calculate a very know how to manage your account, know when you're making losses or profits. You can read the information here. It helps also with risk management in your trading, not to avoid you to blowing your account in just a single moment. So this is the computerized way of calculating your losses in the market, and this is the manual way of calculating your losses in the market. I hope this video was helpful for someone that's struggling with his or her trading, that's coming into the market. You can practice this while you're coming in with your demo account, or you're getting a prop firm of your choice and practice with it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much.